Jersey number 6, Rin was to the press. No good. Now on jersey number 8, Aguinaldo. Nagpapalala pa sa jersey number 3. Good for 2. Jersey number 6, pass to jersey number 28. Pass to jersey number 34. To Gira, no good. Now on jersey number 7, pass to jersey number 8. Aguinaldo dribbling the ball. Bantay Sarador, 15 seconds shot na. Segundo ka nito, 3 puntos. Score po natin, 61-40. Lamang pa rin ang Roca mga kapatid.
51-40, 11-point lead by Roca.
11 ang kalamangan. Jersey number 28. Pass to jersey number 23.
Grabe! Accuracy.
Jersey number 7, pass to jersey number 8. Aguinaldo.
54-40 ang score natin.
Jersey number 8, Aguinaldo, dribbling the ball. Rumilaw the press. No good. Nakakuha na red ang bola. Jersey number 7, pass to jersey number 3, Adriano. Good for 2.
54-42. 12-point lead by Roca.
Jersey number 8. Dribbling the ball. 15 seconds shot. Laganas to win the press.
Whoa! Nice one. Binanda lang.
Jersey number 8, Aguinaldo. Jersey number 8, Aguinaldo.
57-42.
Diretso. Pass jersey number
57-44.
Out of bounds. Sabreta. Pakin po tayo jersey number 11. Tubig. Jersey number 28. Suwa po pa dribbling the ball. 15 seconds shot clock. Jersey number 8 pass to jersey number 24. No good. Narinig ni jersey number 7 Barredo. Jersey number 7 Barredo. Pass to jersey number 3. Pass to jersey number 8. Aguinaldo pass to jersey number. Steal by jersey number 8. Jersey number 8 nagmamagali. Pass to jersey number 4. Pass again to jersey number 8.
Connection. Grabe.
Jersey number 3. Jersey number 3 dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 7 Barredo. Sububok ng press, no good. Barry by jersey number 6 Ritwas. Jersey number 6 dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 28. Jersey number 28. Pass to jersey number 24.
Score ko yan. 62-42, 20-point lead by Roca. Pasok. Lead down to 17.
Jersey number 28 pass to jersey number
62-45.
Pass to jersey number 6 by jersey number 8. Pass to jersey number 8. Pass to jersey number still by jersey number 6 in cross. Jersey number 6 in cross. Now power there. Pass to jersey number 10. Beat no good. Nothing by jersey number 6. And takes the ball on the foul back. Jersey number 2. Jersey number 3 clear personal foul and 3 team foul. Jersey number 6 Ritwas dribbling the ball. First try is no good. Second try for jersey number 6 is good. Jersey number 7, Julia, pass to jersey number 11. Nakaplas sa bola.
Begini Kuya.
Save all.
Kuya. Thank you.
16 seconds shot clock. Jersey number 11, pass to jersey number 7.
Blowout.
Reserve sub. Jersey number 7. Pass to jersey number 8. No good. Roca atras na po tayo. Hindi ko namin